Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Panache. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and tuning in and watching this video. This is pretty easy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and follow me on social media. I'll tag my Instagram down below. So thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So we're just gonna get right into it. I don't want to waste time doing anything, but I'm gonna zoom past like the face makeup because I've done that so many times in the past, and then I'll slow down when I'm actually doing my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. primer, mineral infused face primer, and just put that everywhere. Then I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the dewy smooth one in the shade 360 Mocha. I know this foundation looks a little dark. I found that like makeup, I feel like it's easier to work with foundation when it's darker than you than when a foundation is too light, because then you can always compensate by like highlighting a little more, you know? And then I'm gonna use the TooFaced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. And whilst that is setting, I'm gonna contour my face a little bit using the Maccosmetics Studio Tech foundation in the shade NW58. Looks just like that. So I'm just gonna contour my face a little bit. And when I say a little bit, I mean like a little bit. I'm gonna blend that concealer using my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Cosmetics powder in the shade NC43. Looks just like that. And I'm using that to set like under my eye, my nose and stuff. Gonna take my Morphe highlight and contour palette. I like the brown shade in there. I feel like it matches my skin tone pretty well, so that's what I use to set the rest of my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mummy. Then I'm gonna take my Smashbox Cali Kissed highlight and blush palette. So it looks just like that. And I like to take these two top blush shades. I'm gonna go in with my TooFaced Concealer as a base for my eyelids. We'll take our sponge just to blend that out. I'm gonna set that with my Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade medium deep. We're semi-finished for the base, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and then I'll come back and do this eye with you guys, just so you can like see what we're working towards side by side. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've gone and done the other eye. Very simple. Wait, let me zoom you guys in. A very simple eye look, not too much going on. So we're just gonna do it on this eye, and I basically just used this Jackie Aina palette and like two shades from my James Charles palette, like a black shade and the nude that you see there. But you can use any nude from any palette that you have. So mainly, I played with edges, credit, and ginger. So we're just gonna go in. Start with edges. You wanna put that just all over. For the outer corners, we're gonna take ginger, which is like a warm orange, and just blend the outer edges. Just go all the way up to your eyebrow. But I kind of like doing eyebrows last sometimes, because then it just allows you to have more freedom when you're doing your eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna take credit, which is like a dark brown. That's kind of what I'm using to create my eye shape. You can modify it just in terms of like intensity. Like if this is too much for you, you can obviously like go in with lighter colors. Also, what do you guys think about this hair? I was actually gonna throw this wig away, because I hadn't worn it in so long and I just did not know what to do with it. And then I cut it like I was bored one night, and then I was just like, let me just cut it and see what happens. And I didn't know how to style it, didn't know what to do with it. And then yesterday I was just like, you know what, let me just like add some curls in there and try it on. I don't know how it, like, I don't know how I feel about it yet, to be completely honest with you. But I don't know, I kind of like it. So to just intensify, like, because I'm always going on about this, but I have incredibly hooded eyes. So anytime I put eyeshadow, like I have a very small like lid space here. So anytime I put color just here and then I open my eyes, it disappears. So I always try to like alter the shape of my eye by just like raising that crease. So I've gone in with a little bit of black just right by that crease. And this black, just use any black eyeshadow you have. Probably looks very messy right now, I know, but don't worry, we're working towards this. Now that that's in place, I'm gonna cut this crease with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. It dries so well, so you could probably use this as an eye base and not need to like set it with powder or anything like that. I'll go in with the same shades that I used on my lid. So we're going back to the Jackie Aina palette now, and I'll start with that dark color Credit that we used initially to deepen the crease. Then we're taking that the nude lid shade from my James Charles palette, but like I said, you can use any nude that you have at your disposal. Then to blend this dark shade in with the light shade, so you have that nice like dark to light gradient, and taking edges, just blending it like that. Then we're gonna deepen this some more using this brown. We're gonna go on with that black shade again, just in the like really close to your lash line. And I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeliner just to intensify that. It's this e.l.f. black lip eyeliner, like 3/4 of the way in, and then I mean 1/4 of the way in if you're coming from the side, and then it's getting bigger as you go out, just to sort of give the illusion of your eye like being lifted and going up. And I'm going to blend that black in with the same brush that I just used for the black. And then I'm gonna go in with black eyeliner and my waterline. We're gonna use the same shades that we used at the top for the bottom, just to blend everything out into each other. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and stick on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. I did some fluffy lashes, just did my brows, and I was just gonna finish the rest of the face together. We're going back to the blush palette that we used earlier. I love putting blush on my nose. I feel like it kind of just brings the whole look together. To highlight, I'm gonna take this MAC bronzer. I think it's a foiled shadow in the shade Sand Tropez. I feel like this eye just needs like a pop of gold in the inner corner, so I'm gonna take Dollars from the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Not for lips. So I'm gonna take the Sephora lip liner in Molasses, Maccosmetics lipstick in Velvet Teddy, and then the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I almost don't want to put lip gloss. Yeah, I'm not gonna put lip gloss actually. So let me just brush my hair out with my fingers. just like so. So basically, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.